So we're gonna do an unboxing, and I got the Sony ZV-E10, and this is for like vlogging and taking pictures, but mainly for vlogging. If you guys have watched my previous video on how my other camera, my Canon G7X2 is like broken, like the screen literally just like stopped working and it literally came off. So that happened around May, around the Punta Cana trip. I know I mentioned that in my vlog, my Punta Cana vlog. So the last video that I posted on my YouTube channel, that was the last time ever vlogging on my Canon. That was the last time I ever vlogged with that camera. So I haven't been vlogging as much just because I feel like, I tried vlogging with my phone. I was going to vlog with my phone, but I feel like it's just like kind of like backtracking on using an actual camera and didn't like my phone. I started this channel with using my phone, but I feel like I'm so used to recording on a camera now. Enough of me talking, because I don't know, I haven't been talking on a camera for a minute because like I haven't been vlogging for a while, so now I just have like so many shit to say. I'm gonna give you guys a little update on my life too, but that'll be later in this video. I'm gonna do like a get ready with me. So I'm recording on my phone right now, so that's why the quality looks bad. I got the 2-year warranty protection on this camera because I've learned my lesson with the Canon camera, because I literally just look back and I only had like 1 year with that camera. Like I only used it for 1 year and that shit broke. I don't think I've dropped it. I feel like after the Punta Cana trip, my camera just broke. I feel like the way how they handled my things in my camera, it just made it like, made the screws unloose, and that's how my screen became like that. So it's the camera. You can already see a little sneak peek. Wow, look how clean this look. It's a little bit heavier than the Canon just because the lenses are more bigger, but I feel like the quality is gonna be OD good. Okay, oh, comes with this little block. It comes with the whole kit, guys, and the battery, the charger. Wait, what's the little, oh, here it is. The little, it's so cute. What is this called?
Wind blocker.
The wind blocker mic. The screen goes out this way instead of this way, so it's gonna be something to get used to. So I'm gonna have to get used to this. So I charged the camera for a little bit, turn it on. This is what the lens look like. I like it. I know it's a little bit different. I gotta get used to it not being touchscreen. Only bad thing that I don't like is that it doesn't come with a flash. My boyfriend also gave me this like little microphone to attach to the camera, so I don't know if this works and how it works, so I'm gonna try to test this out too. And as you can see, this is my other camera. I think this is so much smaller than this, and the lens are like more bigger, but the quality does look good though in this Sony camera. I'm kind of bummed out and sad because I really like this camera, and they were literally sold out everywhere, y'all. So from this point on, this video, you're gonna be seeing me vlog through this camera. So now I'm gonna do my makeup and get ready for the day. So all I do to prep my face is just put moisturizer and like sunscreen. My routine now is different and I need to update you guys, and I feel like my routine now just looks better. Like my makeup looks better, and like it just, everything looks better. I literally have not been posting anything for the past like summer. So like the last time I posted was around, I think, June, July. So I'm sorry guys for not posting. I've just been going through life. I just need a little break to see what I really wanted to do. I feel like I need a change, so that's why I changed my hair color to like this dark color for the fall. And like, I don't know, I feel like it just matched me better. I feel like dark hair matched me. I feel like there's something missing in my life, which was making content, making videos and creating content. I haven't done that. I took a pause on that, even though I was working on something else in my life. I feel like there was something missing, and it was here doing this. So right now I'm trying to get back into my schedule of like recording and editing, posting, and like just back into my creating content lifestyle. Yes, I literally bought this new camera, and I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been using it as much as I should be, because this camera was a little bit more expensive than the Canon, but right now the Canon is so expensive, or like it's so like rare because you can't find it anywhere, it's sold out everywhere. But I think I'm liking this camera because the quality looks so good. Like it's a different vibe, you know. Like I think I just needed a whole new chapter in my life, you know, new hair, new camera. Like now I can pick back where I started with YouTube. I've been into nails the past couple months. I started doing nails like 3 months ago, and the progress I've been showing is like, I'm so proud of myself. Like I've been working hard, y'all. For the past couple months I've been working on doing nails. You guys see these nails? Focus. Y'all, look at my nails. So it's so cute, it's giving fall vibes. And I did this is actually gel-X, so I specialize in acrylics and gel-X. I'm gonna put my page right here and all the nail sets I've done so far. I feel like anything that relates to fashion, beauty, anything like that, I love it. I enjoy doing it, and like making content too. So that's what I've been trying to do lately. You know, I try to incorporate, you know, creating content and while doing nails at the same time. And right now it's like I'm still trying to figure out what my schedule is gonna be like. Some days I'll take off to do, you know, to create content and stuff, and some other days I would just focus on doing nails. So I'm doing Lent's nail today, and we're doing gel-X on her. That's what I have on right now, but we're gonna go to my salon and do her nails there since I didn't bring the stuff here. And you know, when I do nails, I actually like enjoy doing it so much. Like I enjoy making art. Like I love drawing, and doing nails is like a form of art. So like I'm not just doing it for the money. I do it because whenever I finish a really cute set, I'm like, oh my gosh, I did that. I'm like, it gives me like that happy feeling, you know. Like, and right now I'm just going forward and seeing where this takes me. So I want you guys to be part of it while I'm still literally freshly new into this journey. I don't want to be at the same position where I was last year, because that would just be like for no reason. Like, you know, like I feel like everyone's timing's different. Your goal or whatever you want to achieve might come later on in life, or might come faster than others, but still I like to just enjoy the process and enjoy the moment. So for my face makeup, I'm just like doing like very minimal like coverage. I just put a little bit of concealer under my eyes and just like a little bit dab of foundation on my cheeks. I feel like I haven't been sharing my relationship with you guys as much lately. Me and my boyfriend are still going on strong. We are gonna be 7 years this month. Our anniversary is on October 30th, and yeah, we're gonna be together for 7 years, y'all. Like that's a long ass time. I wanted to tell you guys like a story time on how we met and what actually happened in the beginning of our relationship, because like I've never told you guys about what we went through and what happened. You know, I feel like it's just so much more to our story than what it is that I show you guys online, you know. But I'm definitely gonna be doing that real soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm finished with my makeup. This is what it looks like. It's just like a simple glam. Alright guys, so we're here. We're gonna do her nails. This is her nails. So bare looking. We're gonna do gel-X. So I already put out her tips out for her.
Dang, must be nice. Okay.
I've been using like an eye cream for my under arms.
But didn't you say you were using a spot treatment, like acne treatment?
Me?
Yeah, for the pimple.
Drop it in. You gotta cover.
Dark nails or another stiletto? They updated the menus. Like, I haven't been here in a minute, but I think I'm gonna get chicken fried rice with mango. We have the green matcha Thai tea. And y'all, this looks so good. Look at how good this mango salad looks. Okay, recording.
Ooh, video is nice.
Here's the finished product. Look at how gorgeous they are.
Yes.
Literally fall vibe. Look at that. I slayed it. It looks so good.
That's how it looks like.
Yes. So matching. Ooh, so cute.